Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to flip a camera while recording on Snapchat. So if you are recording on Snapchat, that recording might be a vlog, a cinematic video or anything in which you want both cameras to be accessed. So it is, and you want to flip the camera, then this video is absolutely for you. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, you guys have to just simply open up Snapchat on your mobile phone. So after opening up Snapchat on your mobile phone, what you guys have to do is you guys can see there is a back camera already opened by default. So in order to record the both videos, so what you have to do is simply first record the video. In order to record, you have to just simply select the filter first. So I'm just selecting the filter. So after selecting the filter, now you have to just simply hold to record the video. So I'm recording the video. You guys can see the video is now started recording. So in order to flip, you have to just simply click on the top right corner of this flip icon. So I'm just clicking on it. So you guys can see after clicking on it, it has flipped the camera. Now in order to again flipping the camera, you have to simply click on it. So after again clicking on that, you guys can see our camera has been flipped successfully. So this is the way in order to flip the camera while recording. You guys can see our recording is still continue, but we are flipping the camera. So I'm telling you again, you have to just simply record the video and simply click on the top right corner of this flip icon. So after clicking on that, you guys can see our camera has been flipped. Now again, we have to just simply flip it back to the camera. You have to simply click on that flip again, and here Yahoo. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.